welcome back to 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Alright then, today we're gonna make something very quick. It's gonna be a clam with bumbu samawa. Let's do this very fast. Okay, first garlic. I'll do any of this garlic. Okay, take a look at that garlic. Gonna do this. Okay. Okay, that's garlic. Okay. Okay, we're gonna use butter. 2 spoons of butter too. Here, 1.
Unsalted?
Yeah, unsalted butter. 2. Okay, guys. Put your garlic. Okay, doesn't matter with the skin. And then put your clam. If you like garlic, you can put more garlic. Okay, then now the onion, just a little bit onion there, and a little bit red pepper. Okay, 2 spoons of bumbu samawa. Yeah, if you wanna use something else like a seafood base, salt, it's okay. Today, because I don't have seafood base, I'm gonna use chicken base. Just a little bit chicken base, just for tastiness, for taste. Okay, right there. Chicken base. Okay. Just to cook a little bit, maybe like half cup of water. Okay, guys. And let them cook. Yeah. Put tomato a little bit. Let them cook 1 minute. For this. Bueno. Saltiness is got. When it's almost done, you can put the cheese. You can put Parmesan cheese after that. Okay, you're gonna put cheese. Parmesan cheese. Okay, I think you are good. Then now, plating. Okay. And then we're gonna put another cheese. Put a little bit cheese on the top. Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and you're done. Okay, guys, so this is clam with bumbu samawa a la 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. It's very quick, very simple, very fast, and very cheesy because we put cheese. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try 17,000 flavor.cooking. Go buy bumbu samawa. Thank you so much, and bye bye.